welcome back to my YouTube channel. As from my background you can guess I am somewhere like not in my home. So today's vlog is all about Moshani Island, and I'm here at Moshani Island, and it is situated in West Bengal. And so make sure you watch this video till the end to know how you can reach here, and some of the suggested places you can stay, where you can stay. And yes, it's a nice place. You will know everything about it in the following video. So guys, first of all, a big thanks to my subscribers who are always giving me this much of love, and also being thank you for being interactive on my channel. And please guys, I'm very thankful to you. Because of you my channel keeps on going. So it's 5:20 now, and I'm at Baliganj station, and I'm here with my family. They are there, and we are going to catch a local train to Namkhana, and when I get there I'll tell you about all the details. So it's chilling here, and we are at Namkhana station right now. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning, and now we are heading towards after breakfast we are heading towards Hatania Doania river, and from there we had to take some uh, like magic toto they say. I mean, that is a vehicle, and we will be crossing that Hatadonia Nadi, and after that say hi sweetie. Hi. She's my sweet sis, and we are now heading. So during that time, we came to know that there is a bridge over Hatania Doania River, and we are going to cross it by Toto. So we are seated in a Toto, and we are heading towards that other river. We need not to cross it in a ferry boat. We will cross by over bridge to the other river. Now we are heading there. Now we all boarded a magic van, and we are inside it, heading towards the ghat. Now we have reached the ghat. This is Khirpai River, and we will cross it and get to the Moshini Island. And from there, we again going to take a toto to our camp, that is Jolfuring. So you can see that boat there. We are going to cross to the other side of the river, and that is Moshini Island there. This is our camp, Jolfuring. I'm entering it. I'll show you. These are the tents you can see. This is the washroom area, common washroom, and these are, they call it villas. We have taken one villa for the elderly person, and also to use a separate washroom for us. This is the one. This one, yeah. And those tents you see, those are the common tents. You can sleep with your favorite person here and enjoy the mesmerizing beauty. Right now, after refreshing up, we are going towards, yes, we are going towards the beach here. So where we are staying, that Jolfuring, they don't have beach in front of their camp, so we are heading towards those camps which have beach. These are crabs. So this is the beach. I reached beach, but actually the real beach is so far, we have to walk. So from this point of view, I would not recommend on the first instance to stay at Jolfuring. So I'm just comparing it with my previous visit, Backpackers. Stay tuned. Today we all are going to stay at Jolfuring camp, which is here. But the first look, I'll tell that it was not so impressive as backpackers, because what I feel is there is no space there to play, and they don't have their own beach. While staying at backpackers camp, I felt that that place is better than this. This is the evening time and it looks beautiful. So it's an average camp. The only drawback is that it doesn't have a beach. Food experience was so nice. I will not comment on it. Food was very good, but even the camp is also okay. The tents are okay. Cleanliness is okay. But what I didn't like is beach is too far. So that is a drawback. And also it has a little space as compared to the backpackers camp. So as I have experienced more, the matter of irony, in evening we ordered chicken barbecue, but not at this place, so some other camp. And yes, from other camp we ordered it because we find it more attractive, and we went there and had our barbecue and cold drinks, and then came back to our Jolfari camp. So rest of the things, if you want to check out from my description box where to stay. I am definitely going to recommend you all for the backpackers, as I am very happy with it. And this is the night party at the Jolforing camp. Nobody organized it actually. We were dancing, and some of my family members were singing, and some of the people from the camp also joined us. So it was a good night and a great night. I have already mentioned what was the drawback. Rest of the things are fine. We enjoyed a lot here, so I will mark it as an average camp. So I will link all the links of the backpackers camp below this video, or you can check on my channel. I have a separate video for the backpackers camp, and this would be just the review where I stayed this time. And also I'll tell you the best time to come here is this time only, near winter ending, or at the starting of winter, because if you come in summer, I think it would be hectic for you and not pleasant. So the weather is pleasant here at this time, and I recommend you to visit here. And about how many days you will take? 2 days is enough. More than 2 days, I guess you would get bored, and if you are not, then it's okay. So I'm going to tell you how you can come here. First, how we came here, I am going to describe it. So from Shialda, you can take train to Namkhana station, and from Namkhana, you are going to cross a bridge that is Hatanoa Doania River Bridge, and after that, you come to a place. That's called Bagdanga Ghat, and from there you are going to take a ferry, and you are going to cross a river, and that is Khirpai River, and after that you will take a toto or some vehicle out there, and you can reach Moshani Island. And while I will suggest you some of the camps that are backpackers camps and Sonaturi camps, you can search it, and just you make sure that while you search, it should be near the white beach, not beyond that, because that is too muddy. So previously, when I came here, I stayed at backpackers, and I gave a big thumbs up to that place, I mean that camp. But my experience with this Jolforing camp is not so good, because they don't have a beach. We have to walk for the beach, so that we can walk onto the beach. I mean, and again, food was okay, but camps a little bit messy. They have overcrowded their camp, and yet when you can get um, a better camp in the same price, so why not go for it? So backpackers, a big thumbs up. And that tolforing, no, no. And the second way is, you if you have your own vehicle, you can come here by road. And through Google you can see that which are the places to visit here. And also from navigation you can come here. But make sure that you can take your vehicle up to that river I mentioned, that is Kitpai river. And after that you have to cross by and ferry that river. And again then you have to come in some other vehicle to Moshini. And when you go back, vice versa. Make sure you hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. And please do visit my channel in the future. And your time means a lot to me. So till then, I come with a new video. Bye bye. Stay